Welcome back to another video, everyone. So today we have K-tuned coilovers for the red Civic, and then we also have our manifold for our K24Z3. So we finally got our machine piece in, and we got some coilovers. We'll get these on first, and then we'll go into a little more depth on that manifold for the Z3. Alright, we're out with the old one. Now to measure out our new K-tune. And we're probably gonna keep the same height, maybe a little bit lower.
Let's do 13 and a half.
Alright, we got the first side done. We'll probably figure out what we want to do with the brake line, but let's get the other side done. Alright, we're all done. Coilovers are all on. The ride height's still the same. Did not lower the car. Just we don't want to rub on the front side with the big wheels on. So now let's go take a look at our K24Z3 manifold that we just got in. Alright, again, here is our manifold. All machined. And the fitment is absolutely perfect. So we just got to get our piping and we'll start mocking up for our manifold. All right, here we are with the head. Got most of it done, just a few more. And then we can start putting it all back together. Alright, that'll probably be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we can get more videos out on the Z3 motors, because I really want to get that going. Not very many people do these motors. Like and subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.